How to get special key blank by the M2 TANK CNC key cutting machine. This key blank is for some of Toyota and BYD vehicles. At first, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click Generate Key Type. Select Laser Key. Search the brand Toyota or BYD. Click the key blank that you need. It says, "Please prepare Super Key Blank S." Click Continue. Click Cutting for the first time. It's time to install the key blank depending on the guide picture. We used the M2 TANK CNC key cutting machine to finish the operation. Pay attention to the key locations. If it's ready, please click Continue. It's time to cut the other side. Click Continue. The special key blank is ready.